Why do you need an awesome CRM? If you want to grow your company, if you want to build a big company, if you want to be organized and streamline things so they happen effectively, that is why. Now, the best CRM is the CRM that you actually use. With that being said, we now use Service Autopilot, and we started off with a platform that a lot of people probably use right now. And I think that platform's probably got a lot better. But I knew at the time it wasn't going to grow my company because of all these reasons. Needing to know my man-hour rates on everything, good mobile app, good client portal, ability to quickly and effectively charge all cards on file for hundreds of people all at once. All these things, all these metrics that made my business really successful, that allowed me to go from 100,000, or probably a little less, probably just over 100,000, to now going to do several million in 2021. It's these things that allowed me to do that. And without a good CRM, without a good system, you can't have consistency. You can't have amazing communication with your clients. You can't have field techs all clocking in and out of jobs and be organized. You can't have a great billing system. You can't have a clean estimating system, a way for people to get an estimate and then sign on it. And then you get their digital signature, and then automatically, without you even having to try, it then turns around and goes and collects their card. So you don't have to have someone chasing AR all the time, a whole position just about trying to get the money that's owed to you for doing a service. So these are all the reasons a CRM is super, super amazing for your company. It will allow you to scale. And if these are things you're lacking and you need help with, our mastermind on Wednesday, 11 a.m. Central, is going to be going over how to maximize the use of your CRM. It doesn't matter what CRM it is. You're not going to be sold on a CRM. You're not going to be sold anything. It's going to be about how to maximize what you're using and make your company better. It's all about, just like anything you build, it's all about the foundation. A CRM, scheduling, invoicing system that runs your business is foundational to your business. So you can get out of having an Excel sheet for this, an app for that, another Excel sheet for this, another app for that, notes over here, notes that you have to fill in at the end of the day for timesheets. Get rid of all that shit. Make your life easy and grow your company.